Okay, let me go over this just a bit in this short video, show you what works and what doesn't work. Now, this low and high mineralization switch doesn't work, it's just jammed, and I don't know what he did. He tried to glue it in place or something, some kind of quick fix. I guess he was out in the desert, and this is missing the cover thing for the headphones. Now I use the headphones and it works perfectly, but this should be replaced. It comes on, and I'll show you its operation just a bit. Our settings, okay, we got a penny, and it's picking it up at a pretty good depth. We change down here. So I'm just showing you that this, I just ground balanced it a while ago, that it does work, but this switch needs to be replaced somehow. It's been glued in, so this detector's been used a bit over the last 2 years that the guy had owned it, and he traded it in for something that I sold him. And the coil's in good shape, and but you get what you see here. There is a problem. The mineralization switch is bad. The other switch next to it is functionable. The headphone jack does work, but it's missing the cover. This would probably need replacing too. This handle cushioning, it's well worn. So I took batteries out. It was a little difficult getting them out. I guess it's like that with these, but you can get them out and replaced. In the back here, these little things have threads to keep them from being lost. It's got some new batteries, and the cord and everything seems to be in good shape, and the coil. See if we get close with the camera, it sets the detector off. So anyway, you can see the signs of use in this detector. The Fisher Goldbug 2.